Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today's a serious topic. I want to talk about the 5 reasons why your business might be failing. One of the reasons why your online business might be failing is because you suck at marketing. You have no clue as to how to get your offers in front of people. You have no idea how to speak about what you're selling. Maybe you're afraid of selling. Maybe you're afraid of putting yourself out there. And that's okay. A lot of people struggle with that. There's a good book. It's linked in the description. Go check that out. That's going to help you sell without actually selling. You know, one of the core things is like getting people to actually see what you have. If you don't have people seeing the offer, if you don't have people giving you feedback on what you're trying to sell, on your offer, on what the product is, then you're probably not going to make any sales. The second reason why your online business might be failing is because, well, let's just face it, your product might not be good enough, or your service might just not be good enough. Because people are seeing offers all over the internet. It's kind of commonplace now to buy things online. And so if your product is not good enough, if your product is not delivering the promise that it says that it's going to deliver, but also doesn't give that extra, right? Because people are going to price shop and they're going to compare maybe one service provider to another or one coach to another coach. They're going to like compare apples to apples and try to figure out, well, which person is going to give me the best value, or which product is going to give me the most benefit. And so if your offer isn't good enough, then yeah. The other reason why you might be failing at online business is because you just haven't figured out how to launch your product. Maybe your product is okay, your product is good. Maybe it's not the best product on the market, but you know that it's possible to sell it. Maybe you've sold it before. How to create buzz around the product, how to actually get it in front of people and create a bit of scarcity, or create a bit of demand, or create a bit of excitement around the thing that you have. And there's nothing wrong with like relaunching a product that you have existing. Starbucks does this all the time. Nike does this all the time. New launches of new things. Even authors would release or re-release books either under a different cover. And then another thing is, and this is actually core, is researching the market. If you're trying to figure out what product to make, you've got to do your research first, right? Go search online. Go look at Google Trends. Go look at keywords. Go speak to people. Stop people in the street. Like, hey, I have this thing. What do you think about it? Ask your friends and family. Another reason why your products or your business might be failing online is because, well, the idea that you had to make the product sucks. Now, there are plenty of good ideas out there. There are plenty of terrible ideas. In fact, I think there's more bad ideas than good ideas. But at the end of the day, idea generation is something that we all struggle with. Finding a product or trying to create a product can be even more difficult. When you're trying to create ideas or find ideas, try to write as many ideas as you can down. Speak to your friends, speak to your family, speak to whoever you can about like trying to figure out what are the best 3 ideas that you can maybe come up with. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll chat to you soon. Thank you.